How to enable smart data saver on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable smart data saver on Android phone. First, then open settings, and then here you need to find this one, mobile network. Just scroll and you will find it, and then click data usage, this one, last one, and here we'll find it, smart data saver. Then just click on it, and as you see here you can find the smart data saver. Then just click this one, enable it, and that's it. Smart data saver have been enabled. Then just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to enable smart data saver on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.